Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today, I have a Shein order, and I'm going to give you a bit of background as to why I ordered this. So, I have been trying in all of my usual spots, Poundland, B&M, Home Bargains, other places. I can't really remember, but I've tried everywhere to get window cling decorations. Really like to decorate my windows. Last year, my windows were beautiful. I had like a snowy scene. And this year, I've really struggled to find anything to do my, to decorate my windows. So I'd been trying for weeks. I couldn't find anything. I decided to go on to Shein and see if they had any window decorations. So this is what prompted me to buy this, to place this order. There are a few bits and pieces I put in to bring it up to the value where I got free shipping, because I really like free shipping. But I'm super excited that it arrived today. I haven't seen inside it. I've just opened it, and I always try to remember what I bought, but that's not always possible. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to see what's inside. I did notice that there are a couple of boards inside. Oh, these are the window clings. So let's see what I got. Oh dear. So I ordered, I can't even get them to stand up. So the first thing I ordered was this window cling because I thought it was super cute. Let me see. Oh, you've got to open the whole thing to get inside it. I'm not going to do that because I want to keep it quite, I want to keep it secure so that it goes on my windows. But this is what it looks like when it's put on the window. Right here. I have a big window, so I need a couple of clings just so that I can spread them across the window and make the window look really cute and festive is what I meant to say, but I'm loving this. It's a really decent size. I was worried about the size. I'm now really truly happy with the size. And obviously this is what it looks like. So this is my first one. My next one is just a, it's supposed to look like this. But I think I might struggle to make it look like this. I don't know what I'll do with this one, but it's still quite cute. One is supposed to be like a stocking and the other one's supposed to be a Christmas tree. I don't know if I can make it look as cute as that. I may use bits of this. I don't know if I'll use it all, but it's still quite cute. And then I love this one. This is how it looks when it's on the window, but it is Santa on a little scooter with a little dragon. I love dragons, and it says Merry Christmas. Guys, these were only a couple of pounds, really not very expensive at all. And they look super cute. And I love the fact that you get all the little bits as well, which is awesome. I think these cost me less than £3 each. I did use my points that I saved, so I probably got them for £2.50 each. But I'm really excited because I wasn't able to get any window clings anywhere. And I guess I still have time to find some, I guess, but I'm a little impatient. When I want to get things organized, I tend to want to get them organized ASAP. So I just went ahead and ordered them on Shein. I bought a number, I don't even know what I bought, a number of additional window clings because I do my downstairs living room, and then I do my upstairs bedroom, and I do my kitchen window. So I like to have a lot of things. But oh my gosh, is this another one that I have to, okay, so this one is for the bottom of a window. I'm going to just have to roll it out because, oh my gosh, it is massive. So this will sit at the bottom of probably my kitchen window, and it will look like this when I have it up. You've also got the back with all of the little baubles, which are super cute and adorable. So I'm super excited about that one. I'm just going to wrap this up because I like to make sure that my, did I wrap this up the wrong way? Probably. It's still fine. But I'm really excited about that. And I want to make sure that it stays relatively safe. So we have that one. We have, oh my gosh, I think I may have went a little OTT with my window clings, but I was really fearful that I wasn't going to have any, and I'd rather have way too much than have none at all. What did we get here? Oh my gosh, you're not even going to be able to see these because these are fully white. So I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try to bring it into the light. These are all fully white little snowflakes. You can see, hopefully, some of the reflections of them here. And I do believe, let me just wrap this up. I do believe I bought a couple of these. Throw that here. I bought another one, exactly the same. What else do I have in here? Oh, I have a small one. What is this one? I mean, I'm really impressed with the window clings so far. Hopefully they work out the way I want them to. Oh, okay. So these again are smaller versions. I don't know if you guys can even see. These are smaller versions of the large little snowflake ones. I want to do almost like you're sitting inside on a snowy day. Can you guys even see? I don't know if you can. No, I don't think I'm getting, oh, you might be able to see it there. Really, really not great for seeing the white on white. It would have been better if it had been on black. And then I bought two of these ones. So I bought two of the very first because I want one for my kitchen window and I want one for my living room window. So super excited about all of these window clings. They're not probably what I would have been looking for originally. Probably would have been looking for something a bit different, but I'm glad I have something to decorate my windows. And the quality's definitely there. I'm super excited. I mean, all of these clings probably cost me less than £15. That is so much cheaper than I probably would have been able to buy them anywhere else. So I'm really excited to have them. And then again, guys, just to bring the order up to the value where I got free shipping, because I really do like some free shipping, I just placed a number of stationery items. I believe everything's stationery. So I got these little tags. I would work a lot with books and I like to mark where I'm at or if there's something super important. So I got these little book tags. I bought this little sharpener because it was super cute. It looks like a toilet with a unicorn. And I believe, inside the toilet bowl, there is a little mini eraser. I'm obviously not going to keep this for myself. I'm probably going to put this in one of the little charity packs, but it's super adorable. The little sharpener's below. And I just thought, why not get it? It was less than, I think all of these items were around 50p an item. I didn't spend a lot of money. So for 50p, I think that's pretty neat. I bought myself a little pack of notes. These are really cute. And I just like the little, I think it's the same the whole way through. It is. I just like the little pattern on it. I thought it was really adorable. Again, it was just 50p. I kept throwing things in that were cheap and cheerful just to get the free shipping, but I'm really happy I have those because I know I'll use them. I bought myself this ruler. I don't know why I bought this ruler. I didn't have one at home. I was looking for a ruler a couple of weeks ago. I didn't have one and I thought, you know what, this is only 50p, I'm going to buy it. But it's this little triangular ruler and it goes up to 15 centimeters. So I bought it. I don't know if I'll keep it. I probably will, but 50p, I think that's totally fine. I then bought see-through notes. So these are wipeable. You can actually put those on top. You can see there, and they're wipeable, so you can write on them and they wipe clean. There are a ton, which I think is awesome. And I got these additionally for 50p. So I'm really happy with those. I can bring it to the office. When I'm in the office, I can bring those in and I can use them. They will come in handy. I bought this little pen because, again, it was only 50p and I thought it was super cute. I don't know if I would let's open it. I don't know if I would keep it and use it. I might put it into one of the charity packs, but it's super adorable. It has this little 3D butterfly on top, which is cute. It has these movable little sequins in the top, and then it has a lot of different multicolored pens. Oh, that's what it does. So you press the first pen down and then you press the top to bring it back up again. And look, it is gorgeous. It says pink butterfly and it's got blue butterflies on it, but I don't care. This is super adorable. So I probably end up putting that in with some of the charity packs. I know there are a lot of people out there looking stationery. Totally fine. I then bought this because it was so stinking cute. Again, this was only 50p. This is a little butterfly notebook with the binder, which I think is adorable, and you get a pen. And I just think this is really, really cute. Let's come out, little pen. Look how dinky this tiny little pen is. I think it's adorable. I mean, I don't believe I'll probably won't. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I probably won't keep this little notebook. I'll probably put it in with the charity packs as well. But how cute are they? And you've got different colors, pink and blue. Super cute. And then the cute little pen. I'm just going to see if it works. Oh, yep. And it's blue. I really should learn not to write on myself. I do that all the time. But how cute and adorable. I think this will be really cute in a little pack. For a little girl. I might put the other little pens, the other pen and maybe a couple of the other bits in with this. But I think it's very, very cute indeed. Let's close it up. How adorable. And it's so colourful. And then this, what is this? So this is the last item in my little haul. I'm going to open it up and see what we've got. I don't remember what this is at all. Is this another pen? I have to open both sides and push it through. This is a pen. Why did I buy so many pens? Oh, I bought this pen because it was adorable. So again, this little pen only cost me 50p. I love how they put it in a box and it was only 50p. But I loved, I don't know if you guys can see the little pattern, but it's a cute little kawaii pattern. And I think it's really adorable. Does it write? Oh, this is not a pen. This, oh, I shouldn't have done that. This is actually a cutter. I need to be more careful about what I'm what I'm doing. This is a little almost like precision knife. It is super sharp. Thankfully, I didn't cut myself. I didn't put it into myself enough to cut, thankfully. But this is a little precision cutter. Obviously, I'll keep this myself. I bought this to do some DIYs. So that is pretty adorable. And that's everything. I think the thing I'm most excited about are my window clings. Honestly, you guys don't know the pain I went through trying just to get window clings or window decorations from everywhere. So I preempted. I went to Shein. Shein have a multitude, so many that it's unbelievable, of window and wall decorations. I'm super excited with mine. If you guys want to check that out, you can go on to Shein online, or there is an app that you can download. I'm sure you guys already know about Shein. But I want to say thank you so much for joining me. If you guys liked the video, please smash that like button. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget about the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. Guys, again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. You are truly awesome. I'm going to say goodbye. Please stay safe and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.